Hi guys on YouTube, this is an overview of my Neff integrated dishwasher. So basically you got your programming knob, your start-stop button, you've got normal 65, eco 50, quick 35 and pre-rinse. And so you've got the on indicator, and then you've got active indicator, and then you've got the end indicator. And then now when I turn it on, it says there's no rinse aid, and that should also say no salt in it, but because we haven't got salt, but I'm not sure why the salt indicator light's not coming on, because it has been doing it over the last one, but then it usually goes into a funny programming mode, and so we don't know what happens to it, because we use all-in-one dishwasher tabs. Okay, and then you got massive salt, and then you got your detergent, your tablet, dispense tablet, where you put the tablet, the lid, and the rinse aid, so bit. You've got massive dishwashing capacity. This is all clean stuff, so I'm gonna have to unload it when I finish making this video. So yeah, that's my Neff integrated dishwasher overview. Thanks for watching. Bye.